Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom newsletter template on Canva. So the easiest way to go about it is to log into your Canva profile and search for newsletter. Once you've keyed in the word, it should bring out a bunch of templates and you can choose from them. So it depends on the newsletter you're going for. So once you just have to scroll down and choose a template that speaks to you. So let's assume I want to create something about sports. Okay, I can see sport news. Okay, yes, let's say I want to use something like this. I will just click on it and I can see others, then click on customize this template, and then it should bring you to a page like this. And then once the page is loaded, you can you can choose to edit or modify the items in them, and this is how to create a newsletter on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day.